Welcome to Top 10 the World channel. Top 10 the World is a channel that aggregates useful information for everyone. Now, let's go. Welcome to Top 10 plus nearest planets to Earth. 1. Mercury. Mercury can be at a distance of 77.3 million kilometers from Earth. Mercury rotates on its axis 3 times in 2 orbits around the Sun, taking the fixed stars as the frame of reference. If viewed from the Sun, in a reference frame that rotates in a moving orbit, Mercury only rotates once in 2 orbital periods of the planet. This exact ratio is due to the effect of tidal locking. If a person stands on Mercury, they will only see the Sun move once in the sky, or only one day in 2 years of Mercury. 2. Venus. Venus is only about 41 million kilometers from Earth when it is closest to Earth, closer than any other planet in the solar system. And when it is at its furthest, it is also only about 261 million kilometers from Earth. It is the second planet in the solar system, orbiting itself every 224.7 Earth days. Because Venus is the inner planet from Earth, it never appears in the sky too far from the Sun. The elongation peaks at 47.8 degrees. Venus reaches its greatest brightness right near sunset or dawn, so folk also call it evening star, when the planet appears at dusk, and morning star, when this planet appears at dawn. Bright. 3. Mars. Mars is 33.9 million miles from Earth. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is often referred to as the red planet because iron oxide is so abundant on the planet's surface that it appears to have a distinctive red color. Rocky planet, Mars has a very thin atmosphere. In addition, on its surface, there are craters, valleys, deserts, and ice sheets. The rotation and periodicity of the seasons on Mars are quite similar to those of Earth due to the tilt of the axis of rotation. 4. Moon. This planet is 384,400 kilometers from Earth. The Moon is the only planet we can see from Earth without a telescope. It is also the only satellite of the Earth. The luminosity of the Moon as seen from Earth is second only to the Sun. This is a quasi-spherical object with a size of about 27% of the Earth's size and a mass of about 1.23% of the Earth's mass. The Moon is rich in silicate rock and has no significant atmosphere, hydrosphere, or magnetosphere. 5. Sunday. The Sun is 149.6 million kilometers from Earth. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system, accounting for about 99.8% of the solar system's mass. The Earth and other celestial bodies such as planets, asteroids, meteorites, comets, and dust orbit the Sun. The average distance between the Sun and the Earth is approximately 149.6 million kilometers, $1 Australian dollar, so it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. Over the course of a year, this varies from 147.1 million kilometers, $0.9833 Australian dollars, at perihelion, about January 3, to as far as 152.1 million kilometers, 1.017 Australian dollars, at aphelion. Around July 4. Solar energy in the form of light supports most life on Earth through photosynthesis and controls Earth's climate and weather. 6. Jupiter. The distance from Earth to Jupiter is 588 million kilometers. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass of 1,000th of the Sun but 2.5 times the total mass of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Jupiter is classified as a gas giant along with Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are classified as ice giants. These 2 planets are sometimes called Jupiter-type planets or outer planets. 7. Saturn. Saturn is about 1.2 billion kilometers from Earth. Saturn is the 6th planet by mean distance from the Sun and the 2nd largest in diameter and mass, after Jupiter in the solar system. Saturn is a gas giant with an average radius 9 times that of Earth. Although the planet's mass is 95 times that of Earth, at 763 times larger, Saturn's average density is only 1/8 that of Earth. 8. Uranus. The distance from Earth to Uranus is 2.52 light-hours. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, is the third largest radius and fourth most massive planet in the solar system. Uranus has a similar composition to Neptune. Both have different chemical compositions than the two larger gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Therefore, astronomers sometimes include these planets in the list of ice giants. Uranus' atmosphere is similar to that of Jupiter and Saturn in basic components such as hydrogen and helium. 9. Neptune. The planet is located 4.41 billion kilometers from Earth. Neptune is the eighth and furthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet in diameter and the third largest by mass. Neptune has the highest density of any gaseous planet in the solar system. Neptune is 17 times the mass of Earth and slightly more massive than Uranus, approximately 15 times that of Earth. Neptune orbits the Sun at an average distance of 30.1 Australian dollars, about 30 times the Earth-Sun distance. 10. The Pluto. Pluto is the second most massive known dwarf planet in the solar system, after Eris, and the 10th most massive object directly orbiting the Sun. Formerly classified as a planet, Pluto is now considered the largest member of a separate region known as the Kuiper Belt. Like other members of this belt, it is mainly composed of rock and ice and is quite small in size, approximately 1/5 the mass and 1/3 the volume of Earth's moon. Don't forget to click like, subscribe and comment to let the Top 10 the World channel know